Good afternoon, engineer. On this occasion, you are going to tell to you about the construct. The integrants are Brian Almeida, Joseph Chihuano, Kevin Guano Luisa, and Pedro Chumaña. Definition of the construct. A construct method is a special function as it is used to initiate the attributes of a project with an instance of a class in create. Its main purpose is to assign initial values to the members of an object and performs any initialization necessary to ensure that the object. The key factors of a construct method are a class usually has the same name as the class to which it belongs. Automatic invoked executed automatic with a new object of the class attribute initialization. It is main function into initiate the attributes of production of the. For example, we declared the variables that in this case will be of floating type base, height, and area. It, it then create the construct a public triangle float base if and float height. This punto base es igual a base, this punto height es igual a height.
I am going to talk about the features of the builders. There are some features but this could be the most important characteristics. It has the same name as the class to which it belongs. In a class there can be several constructors with the same name and different number of arguments. It is not inherited. It must be declared public except in exceptional cases, so that it can be invoked from anywhere where you want to create an object of its class.
Constructors in OOP. Builders, the foundations of your objects. Constructors are special methods in OOP that are called automatically when I creating an object. They are essential for initiating and configuring objects when they are born. They allow us to establish a consistent initial state for our class instances. For example, the next sentence, class coche extends vehículo int número de ruedas, coche super this número de ruedas 4. Purpose of this in constructors. This refers to the current objects being worked on. In constructors, this is the use difference between constructors parameters and instantial variables. Clarifies which the instantial variable and which is the constructor parameters, avoiding confusion. In this demo in Java on NetBeans, um, we are recap. The constructors allow objects to be initialized in consistent manner. This clarifies variables, references, improving readability highlights the importance of clear and efficient design when using constructors and this in OOP. For example, the next picture. In public class, coche, private string modelo, private in año. The constructor is the public coche, and this is parameters when I was called in the next part, and the definite this modelo in modelo, this año in año, and another method's functionalities.
Hello everyone, my name is Brian Almeida. I'm presenting Inheritance Constructors. Recall that it is a constructor. In Object-Oriented Programming, or OOP, in Java, a constructor is a special method within a class that is called automatically when an instance object of that class is created. Constructors are essential for proper initialization of objects and setting their initial state. Inheritance constructor. In Java, inheritance constructors play an important role in initializing derived class, subclass, and ensuring that inherited members are set up correctly. Inheritance constructors. Its summary, the constructors in inheritance ensure that the child class are initialized correctly, since they take care of about the initialization of the derived class and the base class. The keyword super is an essential call the constructors of the base class. Example, this class animals or abstract class animals have attributes, strings, and private in the data. The constructor is public animales string nombre this punto nombre igual nombre, and the child class is gato. Public class gato extends animales, have attributes, strings, and the constructor is public gato, and parameters is strings color pelo punto string nombre, and the keyword or k super call it the extents of animales, and the constructor is super and parameter nombre, and finally this punto color pelo igual color pelo. This is for my expositions. Thanks for your attention.